Hello everyone, this is the Argentis residence. This is the better snow since 2019. I guess up to 5 inches of snow. This is our front yard. See, my truck is covered with the snow, not all of it. So this is the street, and this is the corner. And this is our backyard. Me and my son do this wood fence 3 months ago, and good. As you can see, the snow is all over that street, and look at that trees, is nice. So this is our backyard all the way here. Here's our house. Let's go inside my backyard. So this is right here inside. So all this my kamatis is still gone. So, all the way. Who's this guy? Oh, he caught a fish. There's a picture when I go fishing. And this our backyard right here. So you can feel it when you walk. You can feel how thick it is. So this is my backyard. It's on my shed. You can still park one car over here. But I put my sailboat over here. Here's my basketball court. Here's my house. That's the Argentis residence. So the snow right now is better since 2019. This is a little bigger. Hello. The yards. A little swing. See ya. Here it is. That's the snow 2021 on February. See ya.